Okay, is my screen visible for you guys? Okay, so shall we proceed with the next topic? Shall we proceed with the next topic? Okay, buddies. So next topic we have something called as object class. What is your next class which we are discussing now? We are discussing something called as object class. Okay, so observe here. Okay, let me go in the miscellaneous itself. So I have created a class. I'll enlarge this. So is the font visible for all of you? Is the font visible for you guys? Okay. Okay, great. So here, and first of all, in this class, for this class, explicitly, okay, explicitly, have I extended this class to any other classes? Good evening, ma. Is there any parent class for this class OB1? Do we have any parent class for this OB1? Have I written extends and some class name? Is there any declaration of an extension? There is no parent class for this. Okay. Then also I will say OB1 is equals to new OB1. So I have created a class. Okay. I have created a object for OB1. And when I say OB1 dot, see here, whenever I am using the reference, we are getting these methods: wait method, toString method, notify all, notify, hash code, get class, finalize, equals, clone. So all these are present in object class. All these methods are from where? All these methods are from object class. Okay. So even if you explicitly mention or not, but for all the classes you write in Java, for any class you write in Java, okay, implicitly the class will be extended to object class. Implicitly it will be extended to which class? It will be extended to object class. Okay. In these methods we will be detailed, we will be discussing in a detailed manner for string method, equals method, and hash code method. How many methods we will be discussing? We will be discussing 3 methods. Okay. So toString method, equals method, and hash code method. So first, let us go with the toString method. Okay. toString method, toString method, toString method, toString method. Whenever I say so and I pass OB1, okay, I am passing the reference. Okay. Whenever you're using the reference, your toString method will print you the reference. What it is giving you? It is giving you a reference. Okay. Reference in which format? Reference in which format? So the format of your reference printed will be in the string. Obviously, it is a string. The reference is completely in a string format. So, but Format of your reference will be fully qualified name of the class at the rate. At the rate will be there, and you will have a hexadecimal number. Deci hexadecimal number. Okay. This particular hexadecimal number will be given by hash code method. Is given by whom? Is given by hash code method. Okay. So this will be your format of reference. Okay. So what is the purpose of your toString method? ToString method's purpose is to print your what to say, object reference. Okay, object reference. So how will be your format? It will be in this format. Why? Because if you can observe, your OB1 class is present in miscellaneous package. That is why miscellaneous.ob1 at the rate you are getting a hash code number. Let's try for some other classes. Okay, I'll come to oops class. Is my screen visible now? Is my screen visible? Okay. So for example, see here. Uh, let's let's take some. Okay. Let's come to chair driver. Okay. Observe here. I have two references. I have two references. I will pass. I will pass. I will pass the object reference chair 2. Okay. Whenever I'm executing this, observe here. In which package is my chair class present? That is present in oops package. What is the name of the class? Chair. And this will be your address. So the purpose of your toString method is to print the reference of the object. And what is the format of reference? Your format of reference is fully qualified class name at the rate symbol, and you will get a hexadecimal number. And this hexadecimal number is given by whom? It is given by hash code method. Understood the purpose of your toString method? Understood the purpose of your toString method? Any doubt in basic definition of toString method? Anyone? Anyone has any questions? Okay. So now let us see. See, toString method is used to present the toString method is used to present the reference of the object in string format. Reference of the object in the string format as given below. Okay. It whenever you're passing the reference to a print statement. See here. Whenever I use the reference, see here, this OB1 is the reference, right? So whenever I am using the reference, I will be given a what is that? A reference ID of the object. So this is given by toString method. In which format it is given to you? Fully qualified name of the class, @ will be there, and a hexadecimal number will be there. And this will be given by, and your hexadecimal number is given by whom? It is given by hash code method. Okay. So let us see to override. Okay. To override, it's not package name. My Einstein. If it is a fully qualified name, it is not package name, Rare. It is along with the package name and the class name. See here, OB1 is also present. See, class name OB1 is also present. Your class name is OB1, which is present in miscellaneous package. ತಂದೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದನ್ ಕೇಳ್ರಲು ಬರುತ್ ತೋರ್ಸೋದ್ಮೇಲೆನೂ ಹಿಂದಿ ಆಡ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ. Okay, fine. So now to override, to override toString method. So why should I override the toString method? Okay, to print the attributes of the object when we use the reference. Okay, how to do this? Okay, how to do this? So I'll take a small example. I will say string name int price. Okay, so here let me create constructor. So toString method constructor using fields. So we have a constructor. So you can do this on, you have the feature. Okay, but I'll explain you how to write on it, how to write it on your own. Okay, so it will be a public method. Your return type will be string. Your name will be toString. Okay, here you will be returning what? In the string format. So how you will say laptop. The first is name of the laptop. name of the laptop, and next will be price of the laptop. So this will be the format. Okay. How many attributes have you have? Sorry, how many attributes you have? All the attributes has to be all the attributes has to be present in the toString method. Okay. Now I'll take laptop is equals to new laptop. I will say Apple MacBook Air and price will be this much. Okay. So this is your object. And when I pass laptop reference, see here, in whatever the format you have given, okay, let us add a rupees also. Yes, ma'am, what is your doubt? What is your doubt? Someone, do you have any question? So, why, why this? Rupees is there. So, understood how to override your toString method? Understood how to override your toString method? Okay, it will be in it will be completely in the string format. Okay, if for example, observe here. Super is completely different. This is completely different. See here, I have removed the toString method. Observe your difference. If you remove the toString method implementation, you'll get the basic definition. But if you override your toString method, see the difference? You got your difference. Arthaita? Understood? Understood how to override a toString method? And this definition will be maximum times in this format only, printing all the attributes. Certain times your definition might be different. So if they want to print something else, so that will be your format. Okay. So, but 99 times this will be your thing. For example, I will say rectangle length, comma, height. Okay. I'll create constructor. Okay. Here, what I will do, will override your toString method in such a way that, see here, I will not print the length and breadth. So here I will say area will be length into, okay. So rectangle is equals to new rectangle. So I'll say 10 into 5. So whenever you print, you will get the area. Okay. So instead of the classic reference being printed, if you want to print something else which will be useful for you, in that format you will be giving the implementation. Understood? Understood? Any doubts in overriding to string method? This kind of implementation, it is very rare. So 99.9% you will be doing the same thing. Okay. So anyone has any doubts with overriding to string method? Anyone has any questions? Others, please be responsive enough in the class. Please do respond. Can I move forward to the next method? Can I move forward to the next method if you guys are clear? Okay. 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 See here. I'll come to this OB1 itself. Okay. So whenever you use, I will say OB1 dot hash code method. Okay. Its purpose is to provide a hexadecimal number. It gives a random hexadecimal number. So what is the use of a hash code method? Use of a hash code method is you will get a random hexadecimal number whenever you use it. Okay. This is the definition, and this is the thing you do for a hash code method. So what is the use of hash code method? It gives you a random hexadecimal number. Okay. Now, for example, what I will do, let's go with another class. Okay, let's go with another class. So for this, can someone suggest a interesting object? So that we can override equals method. Someone suggest a good method, so a good object. Okay. Okay, I'll go with the mobile. Okay. So here also I'll take simple attributes. Okay. Name, int price. Okay. How many attributes are there for the object? How many attributes are there for the object? How many attributes are there? 2 attributes are there. Okay. For this, I'll go to generating a toString method. Okay. I'm generating a toString method. For the easy purpose in the class, I am using this. Okay. But for you guys, you write it on your own. Okay. You write it on your own, as this is your first time. Write it on your own. I'll go with constructor with fields. We have a constructor. Okay. So here And let me also create a constructor, empty constructor. This will be helpful for us. Okay. I have overloaded your constructors. I have overloaded your constructors. There is a toString method which is overridden, and I have one thing. Okay. So here, what I will say, mobile mobile one is equals to new mobile. Okay. Mobile two is equals to new mobile. Okay. How many objects did I create now? How many objects did I create here? Two objects. Are they same objects or different object? Are they same object or different object? Same object is a different objects is. So why how do you guys justify that they are different objects? How do you guys justify that, sir? These are different objects, sir. These are not same objects. How do you justify yourself? It is because we have used new and a constructor. Why? Whenever Nora Ray, Nora. See, whenever you are creating the object with the help of new keyword and the constructor, it will be a completely new object. Arthaita? Understood now? So whenever you are using new keyword and a constructor, it will be a different object. Okay? And whenever I say, I will say mobile one dot equals mobile two. So it will be always with respect to one reference, I'm calling equals method and I am passing a second reference. So your equals method will give you a Boolean value as the answer. What answer your what format your as these are different references, as these are different references, it is giving you false. So they are not equal. They are not equal. That is why it is giving you false. What I will do, I will say mobile 3 is equals to mobile 1. In this line, in this line, am I copying the reference or am I creating a new reference? Am I copying the reference of a previously created object or am I creating a completely new object? What am I doing? Am I copying the reference or am I creating the object? Your object is always created whenever you use new keyword. Other than that, your object will never be created. So by this definition, am I copying the reference or am I creating a new object? I want people to respond. Okay, please be active. Yes. So we are copying the reference. So just a second. Okay, is the screen visible now? Is the screen visible now? Okay. Now, now, as the reference in mobile 1 is copied in mobile 3, both are having same address or different address. Both are having same addresses or different address. Both are having both are having so mobile 3 dot equals mobile 1. That is why whenever you have the same reference, you will get the answer as true. Okay. But by by giving the reference and comparing it is not a good format. Okay. By comparing with respect to references and saying, see, now it is going with respect to references. So understood now how your equals method is working now? So equals method basically compares the reference. Equals method is comparing the reference. Understood? Until now, do you guys have any doubt in equals method? Until now, do you guys have any doubt in equals method? Okay. See, uh, Veda, I want you to reply here. Okay. I want you to reply. Okay. How many objects have I created here? How many objects are here? How many objects have I created here? Two objects. Are they same objects or different objects? Same object or different object? So that is why that is why see here, I am comparing the reference of first object with the reference of second object. Whenever you are comparing, you will get false. Why? Because mobile 1 is having a address of completely different object. Mobile 2 is also having reference of completely different object. So equals method is comparing the references of the objects. But here, what am I doing? I am copying the reference. What are we doing? We are copying the reference of mobile 1 into the mobile 3. And whenever I am comparing it for the second time, it is giving you true. So equals methods return type is Boolean format. If your references are same, you will get true. If your references are different, you will get false. Understood? Understood? So basically, this is how your equals method is working. Okay. But what I will do, uh, here here uh, I will say Nokia 1100, comma 1,000 rupees. Okay. Here also Nokia 1100, comma 1,000. So both objects, both objects. So attributes are same or different in both the objects. The details. So basically, there are two boxes with same mobile. Basically, there are two boxes with the same mobile. So are they same mobile or different mobile? Excuse. Are they same objects or different objects? People, people. Have I stored details of same object or different object? How ra? How? How it is different? Hey, ಕಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನೋಡ್ರಲ್ಲೋ ಕಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನೋಡ್ರು attributes ನೋಡ್ರು same attributes different attributes same attributes different attributes first ಇದನ್ನಾದ್ರೂ ಹೇಳ್ರ first are the attributes same for both the objects or are they different? When inside first box I have Nokia 1100 which is of 1000 rupees, second double also Nokia 1100 which is of 1000 rupees. Are they same object or different mobile? Same mobile ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ mobile same mobile ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ mobile ಅದೇ 1000 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಅದೇ 1000 rupees ಅದೇ Nokia 1100. Are they same objects or different objects? Are they same objects or different objects? Everyone. They are literally the same objects, but mobile 1 dot equals mobile 2. Here it is saying still false. So here basically equals method is comparing reference or attributes. Equals method, is it comparing references or attributes here? It is comparing references. But is it better to compare reference or is it better to compare the original object? Is it better to compare references or it is better to compare the attributes? So going with respect to attributes is better, right? Going with respect to attributes is correct, right? When you literally storing the same object in so different dabba, you're also having Nokia mobile. I am also having Nokia mobile. So when we compare the original object, that is better or just comparing with the box, is it different? Which is better? Dabba na object? Dabba na object? Will you go with the dabba or will you go with the original object? I mean the exact values which are present inside the object. So for that purpose, we have to override equals method. We have to override equals method. Okay. So how to override equals method? How to override equals method? So carefully observe. So basically, see here, what is the reference type here? What is the reference type? Object type, mobile type. Currently, I have already said object is also a separate class. Object is already a class in Java. So let's not go there. See here, object is also a class. See here, it is present in java.lang package. You have a object class. Arthaita, object is also a class. So this, and what did I say? Object is a parent of all the classes in Java. What is object? Object is a parent of all the classes in Java. So so what do you have to do? You have to with the parent reference, okay? With the parent reference, okay? With the parent reference, can I compare the attributes of a subclass? So basically, mobile is a subclass of object, okay? So with this parent class reference obj, with the parent class reference, can I compare the attributes of mobile class? Can I compare the attributes of mobile class? Is it possible? Is it possible? Is it possible for us? See here. Am I audible? First of all, am I audible? People, first of all, please be responsive enough. Am I audible? Yeah. What did I say? Object class is the parent class of all the classes. Here I have attributes of mobile class. So mobile is a child. Who is mobile? Mobile is a child. But the reference given to you is of object type. Object is a parent. As a parent, can I access the attributes of child class? Yes or no? With the parent class reference, can I access the child class members? Yes or no? It can be true or false, okay? You can be correct or wrong. What is your answer? Sir, can I compare reference of child class members with the help of parent class reference? Is it possible? Is it possible? Yes or no? Can I use the variables of child class by the help of parent class reference? Yes or no? Yes or no? ಏನಾದ್ರು ಒಂದು ಉತ್ತರ ಕೊಡ್ರೋ. It can be right or wrong. It can be anything. Don't hesitate. With the parent class reference, you cannot compare the child class reference. Okay. As with the parent class reference, you cannot compare the child class attributes. Please keep this in your mind. Can we compare a child class members with the help of parent class reference? Can we compare the reference of parent child class members with the parent class reference? No, no, it is never possible. Okay. So so I will give you the simplest implementation today. Okay. I will give you the simplest implementation today. Mahesha, I have sent you already notes, theoretical notes. It is already written in the notes. Read the notes. It is there in the theoretical notes given to you long back. Okay. So now I have to provide implementation in such a format that this attributes has to be done. First of all, what you have to do, downcast the object reference to current class reference. Now, what is the current class? What is the current class? What is the class which we are using now? What is the class name? For which object we are doing now? Object class? Which class? What is the current class? Mobile. So I have to this reference I have to downcast. Okay. This reference I have to downcast. So what I have to do? Mobile is equals to mobile of obj. Sorry, I wrote it in the wrong format. So this is downcasting. Object is downcasted to mobile type. Now in string class. Okay. In string class, see here, it is where is that? Basically, in string class, I0 final boolean. See, equals method is already overridden. In string class, what is already overridden? See, string is a class. What is string? String is a class which is present in lang, package. So your in string, your equals is already overridden. Okay, that is why. So name, what is the data type of name? What is the data type of name? Your data type of name is already string. So you can directly compare the string values. Okay, that is why I will say return. So mobile dot equals There is oh, yeah, cut type. Return. So mobile dot equals mobile dot name and 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 integer dot compare price comma mobile dot price. So wait a minute. Name dot equals mobile dot name and price equals to mobile dot price. So you can do this. So now observe here. So shall I explain this implementation? Shall I explain this implementation? See here. Okay. Observe here. It is easy. See, I have downcasted the object reference to mobile. Okay. I have downcasted your object reference to mobile. Here, what I have done, I have taken a reference, okay, and I am comparing it with the past object reference. Okay, one attribute will be compared with the second attribute. So, for example, here mobile one dot equals mobile two is there. Okay, mobile one is compared with the mobile two. So here, this name will be the name which is present in mobile one object. So this will be this current name. So Nokia 1100 equals the attribute which is present in the second object. Okay. Next, price. So this price will be from first object, thousand equals to the second object. Always the second part will be the past object reference, this object's reference. So whatever we have written here after equals with the reference, this will be the second object's reference. For example, observe here, I have made it as 10,000. So now it is false. Check here, I made it same. Now you are getting true. Understood? Understood? So this part of your equation, will be the first object reference, will be taken by the first object reference, and the second one will be from the this part of your equation will be taken from the compared object reference, that is the second object reference. Understood? Understood? Okay, so shall I give you an assignment today? Shall I give you an assignment today? Okay, you have to consider yourself 5 objects, that is 5 classes, and override toString method for all the classes. And for 3 classes, you have to override equals method. Okay. For 5 classes, compulsorily you have to override toString. For 3 classes, toString as well as your equals. If you're fine, override for all the 5 classes, both toString method and equals method. Understood? Okay, guys, this was your class for the day. Okay, so let's meet tomorrow. Thank you, buddies. Thank you for attending the session.